Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in the game with the main or pause menu visible. First, open Settings and select Accessibility so you can reach voice options. This is where Narrator controls live. Once done, highlight the Speech or Narration subcategory and inspect the current toggle state. Make sure you're signed into a profile with saved preferences so changes persist. If not, sign into Xbox Live or local profile now. These steps prepare you to disable narration immediately. You navigate to the speech or narration entry and switch the toggle to off. This stops the narrator immediately. If you prefer selective audio control, lower voice volume instead of muting everything. This preserves UI tones. Once changed, move down to any Confirm or Save button and select it. The game often requires explicit acceptance. Make sure to test by returning to gameplay. If narration persists, reopen Accessibility to verify the toggle state hasn't reverted. You finish by saving settings and returning to gameplay to confirm the narrator is silent. If you still hear narration, first restart the game. Many toggles need a reload to apply system-wide. If restarting fails, check your Xbox or Windows accessibility settings in case a system narrator is forcing audio. Finally, make sure Forza Horizon 5 is fully updated. Patches sometimes fix stubborn audio bugs, and if needed, sign out/in or reinstall the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.